Hello, everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Get yourself in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Today's meditation is designed to help you heal, to help you soothe your mind and your heart from your past. Please understand that forgiveness should never be forced. Understand that you should not have to forgive. Forgiveness is just a byproduct of healing. So if there was pain, suffering, trauma in your childhood and your upbringing, today's meditation is designed to help you release some of that. And maybe some forgiveness. But the important thing is that you take time to be with yourself, to acknowledge what you've been through, and to learn to love yourself the way that you have always deserved, the way that no one loved you. And so just giving yourself permission to think about what it is that is causing you so much pain and discomfort. What happened to you? What did they do to you? What didn't they do? Allow those emotions to flow, to come to the surface. Allow yourself to be real in this moment. Stop pretending, stop covering up. Today is about connecting, being true to who you really are, being true to what you really feel. And so focus on your heart and take a moment to go within and seek that truth there. Invite the memory. Who was it? Allow yourself to feel. And now think about how this event is still affecting you today. How this pain still lives within you even though it has been so long. Are you ready to let it go? Are you ready to be free from this? And so ask yourself, what are you really holding on to? Why are you so attached to this memory, to this moment, to this pain? It must serve you subconsciously in a way. Maybe it justifies the reason why you could never create a healthy relationship. Maybe you use this pain to escape. Maybe you never found security, financial or mental, physical, emotional, whatever that may be. And so holding on to this pain justifies it. This is not about punishing yourself. This is about being honest. This is about choosing something new, something different. And it's not easy. So really ask yourself, how is this pain serving me today? In what way do I continue to allow it to control me, to control my life, the outcome of my life? And are you ready now to change? And I mean commit to change, no matter what. To really set yourself free. It's not fair. Life isn't fair. But it's the right thing to do for you. If you want to really be happy, to feel like you have some level of control of your life, then you cannot allow the past in your present moment. The past should be a lesson, and a lesson learned. The past can be fuel to motivate you to continue to do better and be better. And the greatest revenge of all is your success, whatever that may be for you. And so meet the version of you who is free, who has overcome this pain. Admire them. Get to know them. Ask them, how did you do it? Trust the wisdom and the information that you receive, because only you have the answers to it. And so ask this version of you to guide you, to assist you right now, in this moment, by revealing to you things that you can do today, changes that you can start implementing today. I will give it a minute for you to have this conversation. What does it really feel like to be free? To choose your thoughts, to choose the way you feel. And so let's declare it now. From this moment forward, I choose me. From this moment forward, I choose healing. I choose peace. I choose to show up for myself, to be my own best friend, my own parent, and to prove to myself that I can do it. I promise myself that each and every day I will take a moment to be kind and loving, to give myself what it was that I needed that I never received. And I promise myself to acknowledge the milestones, the accomplishments. And so I invite the version of me to join me, the healed version of me, so that together we can do this. And I want you to visualize a beautiful ball of light shine above you. Gently moves down, and this ball gently merges in your chest and enters your heart. Feeling the love, feeling the support, and feeling the healing beginning to take place. It's important that you begin to follow the guidance that you receive moving forward, trusting your highest and greatest good so that you can finally be free. And now, slowly, taking a moment of gratitude, of being present. And when you are ready, you can begin to slowly come back into your body, back into the space. Take your time. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes.